Tired of manually adding layers to your AutoCAD drawings? Hi AutoCAD users, ever wish your text could just organize itself into layers automatically? What if I told you that your drawing could sort itself while you sip your coffee? User manually adding layer, changing layers name one by one, clearly frustrated. Let's face it, manually creating layers and assigning every piece of text or label to the right one is a time-sucking nightmare. You scroll, search, click, change layers, over and over again. Especially on big projects, you lose hours just cleaning things up. This LISP script right here is your new best friend. Just enter the command add, layer, text, and hit enter. Select your text or MTEXT objects to be added as a new layer and hit enter. The script automatically creates a layer based on the content of each text item. No guessing. No renaming. No duplicates. Just smart, clean layer organization based on actual content. Saves hours on large drawings. Works with both text and MTEXT. Produces valid layer names, even from weird or special characters. Makes layer management easier for you and your team. And most importantly, you stay focused on your drawing or design, not cleanup. Here's how to use it in less than a minute. Open your AutoCAD drawing. Load the Lisp file using the app load command. Type add text to layer to create layers from the text or MTEXT content and then hit enter. Simply select the text, press enter, and let it do its magic. You'll see new layers based on your own annotations, no more manual naming needed. So if you're tired of spending your time as a layer janitor instead of a drafter or a designer, grab this script today. Drop it into your toolbox and start saving hours on every single project. Smarter drawings, cleaner layers, zero fuss. Download links in the description. And if it saves you even 10 minutes, it's already worth it. Hit that like button if you like this video, and let me know in the comments what other repetitive task you'd love to automate in AutoCAD. See you in the next one.